Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent access to the Registry Editor on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To prevent access to the Registry Editor on Windows 10 computer, go to search, type gp edit, now hit enter. Under user configuration, expand administrative template, click on system. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option prevent access to registry editing tools. Right click on the setting, click on edit, and not configured is selected. Click on enable and disable RHCEDIT from running silently and select yes here. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now the setting is enabled. Close Group Policy Editor. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run, type gp update/force. Now click on OK. Updating the policy. Now I am trying to open Registry Editor. In search, type RHCEDIT and then click on and then hit enter. Registry editing has been disabled by your system administrator. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.